Emergency is a very darkest period of our history, recent history. So how much you have understood before the film and after the film, the emergency period?
See, it's a very
In fact, you are
dark
an
chapter.
emergency.
You know, I mean, in fact, I was born in '75, so
इनके आते ही
इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर कर दी कि अरे बाबा आ गया. बट यू नो वट एवर, ऑफकोर्स हम लोग तो मतलब पैदा ही हुए थे, बट चीज़ें समझ में आई बाद में. बट आई थिंक ये बताना उतना ही ज़रूरी था, मतलब किसी भी जनरेशन के लिए, जिन जो whoever has gone through it, who probably were born like me, and the new generation. Everybody needs to know this chapter of Indian history, of what happened, you know, and what was done, so that we do not repeat those kind of mistakes ever going forward. It needs to be told. These stories need to be known to one and all कि ये हुआ था और ये नहीं करना चाहिए भाई, ये सही नहीं था. तो सही गलत की कहानियाँ होती है ना, मतलब बेसिक कहानी क्या होती है कि एक चीज़ है, ये गलत हो रही है, इसको हीरो ने सही कर दिया. So I think those kind of stories is what we like to see. And Emergency, similarly, in that context, if you look at it, it is a story very well told, very authentically told, and we need to see and understand what has happened in our history.
In my case, I think before Emergency, I had this perception of Mrs. Gandhi that maybe she was a very powerful person, and she just went about waking up one day and be like, just put emergency everywhere or something like that. But when I did my research and I studied her thoroughly, I understood actually it was quite the contrary. And it also strengthened my belief that the weaker you are, more control you would want. So she was actually a very weak person. And she was also very unsure of herself and really vulnerable. She had many crutches around, and she was constantly seeking, kind of validation. And she was also hugely dependent on many people. One of them was Sanjay Gandhi. So then I adapted all of her body language, and whether chewing of lips. In body language also say people who keep chewing their lips, they're very unsure, they're very vulnerable, twitching of lips, twitching of eyes, petite, very screechy voice, very baby-like wrists, very tiny wrists, pale skin. So all of her demeanor actually made me deeply empathetic toward her. And I didn't have that kind of empathy for her before I studied Emergency.